how we can made over 29,000 euros, or let's say 32,000 US dollars in 20 days with affiliate marketing using TikTok. So basically, TikTok affiliate marketing, sending TikTok traffic straight to our affiliate website. Okay, so quiz funnels. Now, in this video, let me show you over here. When I click here, you can see, right, 29,000 euros and 193 sales or actions. Now, let me go here, over here in the TikTok, and let me show you exactly how this works. As you can see, in the last 28 days, I have had 122,000 video views, around 2,000 profile views, 11,000 likes, and 686 comments. Okay, now why I'm showing you this, because sometimes the engagement, as you can see, 100 shares, it's really important because you can actually get free traffic, organic traffic, meaning without paying any ads, zero paid ads, and make few $1,000s in a week or in a month. Okay, you don't need millions of views, you don't have to go viral. Okay, all these BS courses that you were buying from ClickBank gurus telling you that you need to go viral and have I don't know, millions of views, it's not true. It's all about them telling you that you need curiosity clickers. You see, the money in 2026 is in the buyers' clicks. You need the right buyers' clicks. You don't need millions of clicks or tens of thousands of clicks. No, you just need the right clicks of buyers' intent. People who have buyers' intent. Like, for example, with Google pay-per-click ads. People go on Google to get educated or to buy products because they have pains or problems that they want to solve. And you, my friend, you are an affiliate. We are not showing any face here. I'm not video my own face. I'm not showing my face on TikTok. No, it's faceless channel. Okay, but it's geared. The content, the video is geared toward buyers. Okay, it's all about marketing psychology on a deeper level of this affiliate game. There is a surface level marketing, and there is the deeper layers of psychology, economics behind affiliate marketing. Why some people can make thousands of dollars a day and others zero? It's not your fault. You were just following the wrong, outdated methods. My strategy with TikTok is to run ads $10 to $25 a day for, as if you're a beginner, right? 10 to 25 US dollars a day for the first 5 to 7 days. And what happens next week? Next week, you allow the beauty of TikTok algorithm, AI algorithm, to push your content for free. If you did the job right, and we do it together one-on-one with a Zoom call, you'll be able to see exactly how psychology works, so the TikTok algorithm can push out your content for free, organic traffic, and for a whole week, the sales you're getting, maybe one sale, maybe 3 sales a day, maybe 5 sales a day, okay? You're making consistent, sustainable income without spending any money on paid ads for the first or second 7 days. Okay, so bi-weekly you're doing this. 1 week ads, second week no ads. You can choose. Of course, you can still run ads if it's doing well. But I'm telling you this, I'm showing you the proof. You can decide, do you want to run ads or you don't want to run ads? Okay, in the both ways you can make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing, promoting ClickBank products using TikTok as your traffic source for buyers' clicks, which is really, really important, okay? Because if you have tried affiliate marketing, maybe you have tried Amazon dropshipping, e-commerce, you know the margins are really thin, really, really low. So smart people, why do you think that smart e-commerce guys are switching over to ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025, going to 2026, before Christmas? Because everyone who is smart knows that before Christmas is huge buyer's intent. So if you're watching this video, maybe you're in India, maybe you're in US, maybe you're in Australia, California, wherever you are. If you have 30 minutes or 20 minutes per day, you can do this without showing your face. This is doable not only with TikTok, but also with Facebook ads and Google pay-per-click ads. But in this case, I'm showing you TikTok. Okay? Because psychology is different. People are already buying from TikTok shop, so you don't need any kind of persuasion, okay? Or tricks. No. Because it's already ingrained in the mindset of the people who are using this platform, social media, that they know they can buy products, digital or physical products. Okay, you could be starting today. In the next 24 hours to 72 hours, you could be making your first $500 in affiliate commissions. But how? If you have one sale for $50 on ClickBank, There's also a backend sales for $250, $1,000, $500 in average order value. And you as an affiliate, you make 75 to 90% affiliate commissions daily. Okay, and ClickBank is paid every single week. You get daily payouts, but you can withdraw every single week to your bank account. It doesn't matter where in the world you live. Okay, as simple as that. You can later reach me on Instagram, on my email, my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number. Who does that? Which guru has offered you personal phone number, WhatsApp number? Okay, you can text me there, but only if you're serious, if you're smart, and I know you are because you still watch this video, and if you want results before Christmas. Okay, because ask yourself, if there are people making $100,000, $500,000 a day with affiliate marketing, why not you? Okay, because no one has two brains, they all have one brain. So what is the difference? The difference is that they don't know something that you don't know. And once you get that knowledge, once you get that skill set, once you get someone to help you one-on-one, hand holding you step by step along the way, of course, then you can do it the same way. It's like learning to ride a bike. At first you don't know how, but once someone shows you how, then you know how to make it work, to put it into action step by step. Same here. It's not a magic trick. It's not any rocket science. Okay. But once you see the bigger picture, once you have someone to show, this is psychology of ads. This is low emotional states. This is high emotional states audiences. Oh, this is female audience, male audience. These are the language patterns we use for TikTok creatives, right? Then you can finally be able to see the results coming in every single day. Okay? And understand. Because maybe you have failed before, maybe you have lost money and you're scared to invest again or something like that. And understand how it feels. Used to be there a few years ago. Until I realized I need someone to help me personally one-on-one and give me the exact structure of ads to know exactly how to put it up and get it once for all finally running. So you have a choice now. You can still watch this video, or you can connect with me one-on-one after subscribing to my YouTube channel and ask any questions you have regards to ClickBank affiliate marketing, but only if you're serious, you have some money to invest in yourself and finally start scaling these campaigns and having results you desire.